Hey there Greymates, in this video I'm going to show you how you can farm Fang in Crimson Desert. Now currently my location on the map is right next to Pyloon, as you can see right here. Just hover over the A on Pyloon and then go to the left. In here you can find an Abyss Nexus for you to have an easier access to farm the Fangs. Now if you teleport or find this Abyss Nexus here, and if it's your first time, there is an enemy boss right over there, and it does respawn every now and then. If I approach it right here, should spawn in. As you can see right there, there is an Ice Walker. So do be careful of that. So let me just take care of this and I'll show you where the Fangs are. Now from the Abyss Nexus, just face to this direction right here and you should see a pack of wolves immediately in front of you. Now in case the wolves didn't spawn for you, just re-teleport again on the Abyss Nexus and it should respawn on one of your resets. Now I'm just going to use a bow and arrow with an explosive arrow to clear them. Or of course I can just go melee. And now once the pack is cleared, you can just skin the entire pack. As you can see right there, I got some 3 fangs. It should reward you at least 1 to 4 fangs for every wolf. Now once you've finished skinning the entire pack, go back over to the Abyss Nexus, teleport back over to it, and it should respawn the entire pack, but if it doesn't, just go back again. And now the pack is back. And to be honest with you, it did take me about 3 tries again of teleporting on the Abyss Nexus for them to respawn. So it's pretty much a chance for them to come back. And that's pretty much about it on how to farm Fangs in Crimson Desert.